Hey everyone, it's Megs here, and protective styling has helped keep my hair super healthy, and today I'm going to show you how I achieve this sleek bun using Luster's Pink products. Okay, so let's get started. So protective styling is really crucial for me during this current hair journey since chopping my hair into a bob back in March. And I'll tell you, protective styling has been my best friend with keeping my hair healthy and maintaining my ends. So we're gonna do that right now. So I'm gonna make sure I detangle, make sure I don't have any tangles in my hair. I'm using a rake comb just to gently loosen up my hair a little bit. And you all, my bob is no longer a bob. It's definitely shoulder length now. So let me know in the comments below if I should let it grow out or if I should get one more cut to keep the bob for a little bit longer. For this protective style, I'm going to do a deep side part. So I'm going to take this comb and I'm going to use the pointy end just to make a part. You can have your part as deep as you want it. I like mine about right here, and my part has a little bit of a curve to it just to help me get my swoop on. So I'm basically like parting my hair into an L shape. And parting it like this just allows me to make sure that my swoop is nice and neat and the hair is going in the direction I want it to go. To style my hair, I'm using the OG, the classic Luster's Pink Original Oil Moisturizer. This product, you guys, brings back so many memories from my childhood when my mom used to do my hair before school. Like, my puffs were always moisturized and on point. Like, you couldn't tell me anything. Pink oil moisturizer always did it for me. And I love using this oil moisturizer for styling because it adds amazing shine. Like, my hair is like blinding. Like when I put this on, it's so shiny afterwards. Now for my favorite part, I'm going to use the new Pink Hold and Shine Perfecting Gel. And whoa, it really holds, you all. I'm going to apply some to my edges and parting area. Like a little goes a long way, but if you want to get busy with this, it will hold you down. Like for real. Like it really holds. It didn't flake on my edges or anything, and it's infused with olive oil, argan oil, and pro vitamin B to nourish hair and fights frizz, okay? And all hair types can use it. So I apply that to my edges and on my swoop area, and now I'm just brushing everything into place, and I'm loving how lightweight all the products feel on my hair so far because I can't stand when things weigh my hair down, and these products definitely didn't do that. It just adds some amazing shine and it makes it really easy for me to style. Like I really love these products for styling purposes because it just does what it needs to really do. So I'm just going to brush everything in place. And I'm liking what I'm seeing so far. Like I'm starting to feel cute. So now I'm gonna take an ouchless band and I'm going to wrap that around my hair, but be very gentle. When I do protective styles, I make sure that the band is not too tight because you do not want that to happen because you want to avoid breakage in your nape area and things like that. So be very gentle with that. So boom, that's done. So, to add the finishing touches, I'm going to apply the pink glosser to my hair. It gives my hair this amazing finishing extra boost of shine, okay, while also fighting frizz and has vitamin E, aloe vera, shea butter, and jojoba oil, and it's silicone free, and that's super bomb. Now I'm going to go back in with the oil moisturizer and I'm going to apply some to my ends. When I'm doing protective styles, I always make sure I apply more moisturizer to my ends when doing buns. And you guys, I love using this moisturizer for styling when it comes to ponytails and updos. And I'm going to go back in with a little bit more of the glosser and do the same thing. Apply that on top and look how shiny my hair is. Okay, so this is probably one of the most important parts when it comes to protective styling. You want to tuck those ends under. So you're going to tuck and roll, okay? And we're going to bobby pin the ends in because that's the whole purpose of a protective style is to tuck away the ends, tuck away your hair to make sure you keep the moisture locked in, okay? That's why I love protective styling and I feel like it's been working wonders for me right now, especially since I'm on my new hair journey. Like protective styling really works well for me. So to help keep that moisture in, I'm going to apply a satin scrunchie around there. Okay, this was a game changer for me when I started doing this. So like when you go outside and you have your bun, you want to keep that moisture locked in. So having this scrunchie at the base of my hair really helps keep my ends fully moisturized and everything nice and juicy and neat. Okay, so this is the finished protective style. I wear protective styles very often, and this is one of the versions that I wear. And I am loving these Luster's Pink products on my hair for this protective style. And be sure to check out Luster Pink products at your local beauty supply store, Target, Walgreens, Walmart, Rite Aid, or Sally Beauty. And all information about what I use and links are in the description below. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.